Greetings! Welcome to StoryChain.ai. In this presentation, I will showcase StoryChain and its integration with Chainlink Functions. StoryChain is an innovative multi-level AI-based app that fosters collaborative storytelling. As users input prompts, StoryChain takes action, generating related story chapters and images, all merged within an NFT for authors. During this operation, the Web3 and Web2 worlds are interconnected by Chainlink Functions. Chainlink Functions isn't just a tool. It's the very bridge that brings innovative moderation into StoryChain's smart contract framework. As a collaborative storytelling platform, ensuring content quality is paramount. This is where Chainlink Functions shine. One of the most important steps of the project is having a reliable checkpoint, ensuring each prompt powers the collaborative narrative. This is why we need Chainlink Functions. Every prompt given to the project is moderated by Chainlink Functions by using ChatGPT API to check if the entered prompt is suitable for the story. Only when Chainlink Functions give the green light, our backend steps in to create the next chapter. This synergy assures a secure and transparent moderation process. When user enters the prompt for the story, let's say our story is kid-friendly, and our prompt is Frank opens a chest and finds an ancient treasure map. Now the contract asks Chainlink Functions, hey, this story is supposed to be kids-friendly. Can you check if this prompt is appropriate? And we can see it's checking for prompt safety. Here, Chainlink Functions asks AI if the prompt is safe for work or safe for children's books depending on the category of the story. Then, it sends an approved or rejected event. We can see safety check is approved. Chainlink dons use ChatGPT 3.5 to check if this prompt is kid-friendly. The best part is, each don asks this individually and they reach a consensus if the prompt is safe or not. This eliminates the problem of ChatGPT 3.5 sometimes giving wrong answer. If the prompt is not approved by Chainlink Functions, it is ignored. If it is approved, the contract emits an event telling the safety is approved. So the backend running on AWS receives this event and applies multiple steps on it. It gets the latest story data from IPFS, providing the entire story to ChatGPT, asks to create a new chapter that would fit the continuity. Also create a prompt for AI image generator. AI image generator generates an image for our chapter. Then we upload the image to IPFS. We also upload the entire story with new chapter and the image to IPFS. We then submit these IPFS hashes to the contract. And finally, the contract means an NFT for the author of the new chapter. StoryChain is one-of-a-kind project in the Web3 world, with not many examples like it. It uses multiple AI tools, and these tools are growing very fast. To keep up with this rapid development, StoryChain is a partner that can connect to different parts of the project, Web3 and Web2. This is where Chainlink comes in. It's like a strong bridge that makes sure everything works smoothly together. With Chainlink, StoryChain can confidently move ahead and make the project even better. It's a reliable partnership that helps us shape the future of storytelling. I consider Chainlink Functions to be a vital asset in the toolbox of blockchain developers. It opens up many possibilities effortlessly. I'm eagerly anticipating the full deployment of Chainlink Functions on the mainnet, along with its expanding capabilities. This will enable me to offload more backend responsibilities onto Chainlink Functions. I would also like to mention that while Chainlink Functions handles a very important part of the project, StoryChain is also planning to take leverage of CCIP to go cross-chain, allowing users to bridge their NFTs and stories into other blockchains. Thank you for listening.